in the state infected with Omicron. 3 have recovered, so there is no need to be alarmed.
Meghalaya Director of Health Services Dr. Aman War today informed that the health condition of the 3 of the 4 infected Omicron persons are recovering fast. Dr. War said the people should not panic when they hear that a state is being infected by COVID-19 variant Omicron, as their conditions are stable without symptoms and under isolation. With regards to a tourist from Assam who was tested with Omicron variant, Dr. War said the infected person, on reaching halfway from Guwahati to Shillong, he immediately returned back on the same day.
And 1 is still active under strict isolation and doing well. Once again, I will reiterate, doing very well, and we are very confident that the patient will come out of this and recover. Omicron in the state is 4, and out of this 4, as we have already informed, 2 are from Meghalaya district, and they have already recovered. They were COVID positive, they were isolated at home, and in the course of that isolation, their time period has been completed, and now they are well and have recovered and can go about their duties normally, without forgetting that the precautions, the SOPs as laid down, are to be followed strictly. The case which we had mentioned as Happy Valley, ARC Happy Valley, this particular patient also had recovered. Patient had come from outside the country, from Qatar, working there, and had tested positive on the 29th. Genome sequencing was done, and we received the report yesterday, the 4th of January 2022, and she was found to be positive for the Omicron virus. This particular patient also has recovered. He was initially isolated at home. Then we had, on her request, we had shifted her to the Corona Care Center, one of the Corona Care Centers, and she will be discharged by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. There is only 1 case left, which is an active case infected with the Omicron variant. In that particular case, as has already been informed, is in Naimukha under isolation, strict isolation, and there are no symptoms. The patient is doing very well.